Start by cleaning your turkey wings properly. As you can see here, there was hair on the turkey wings, so I went ahead and removed those. Then I'm going to wash it with some vinegar and lime. Once I wash it with vinegar and lime, I'm going to go ahead and pat it dry with some paper towel. Next, I'm going to use some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you like, or if you don't have olive oil, I'm going to use that and pour over the chicken. These are the blends that I'm using. I'm using some Caribbean spice and roasted garlic, some paprika, some Cajun season. For that Cajun twist, I'm using some oregano, and you can use whatever season that you like. I'm using pimento, black pepper, all-purpose season. Once I had all my season, I'm going to go ahead and massage the season onto the meat, and look at that. It is looking so juicy already. You want to ensure that your meat is fully coated with the season. I am going to leave the measurement in the description box below so you can go ahead and check it out. Once my skillet is hot, I'm going to go ahead and pour some olive oil into my skillet. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my turkey wings to sear on both sides for about 4 minutes. And if you are new to my channel, guys, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. And when you subscribe, ensure that you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video whenever I post. Now look at that golden color. This is the color that you want to have. Yes, I like it like this. So once it is finished, I'm going to just go ahead and remove it from the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix some flour into this container. I'm going to put the measurement in the description. Then I'm going to go ahead use some butter this time in the pot and add my onion. As you can see, my onion is cut a little big, not too small. This is the size that you want to have it. And once it is golden brown, I'm just going to go ahead and add some garlic, pour in the flour mixture, and you want to mix it while you're doing so. Add your chicken broth. Then I will be using 1 can of cream of the chicken. Mix everything until it comes to a boil, just like this. It is smelling so good. It is tasting so delicious. Pour it over the turkey wings. I am going to add some bell pepper. Green onions. And you want to add some thyme and rosemary for that delicious flavor once the turkey wing is finished baking in the oven. Next, I'm going to cover it with a foil paper. This helps to keep the turkey wing moist and juicy. Once I cover it with a paper towel, I'm just going to go ahead, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Put your turkey wings in the oven to bake. And you want to bake this for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours or until it is fork tender. Now, once my turkey wing is finished, this is how it is looking. It is so delicious. It is tasting so good. It is smelling so good. The liquid, oh my god, you can see that, and it is pork tender, as you can see here. Now guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.